I'm Jan Daryl C. Barbosa, BSEE 3D.
I am Victory Joseph R. Hidalgo from BSEE 3D.
I'm Carl Angelo Monar from BSEE 3ED.
Introduction. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless communication technology designed to replace cables between devices. It typically works within 10 meters to newer versions extend up to 100 meters. It operates in the 2.4 GHz band, which is unlicensed and globally available. Bluetooth is different from Wi-Fi because it prioritizes low energy consumption and simplicity over speed. This makes it perfect for personal devices like headphone, watches, keyboards, and health tracker. Bluetooth originated in 1994 when Ericsson engineers were working on a wireless alternative to RS-232 data cables. In 1998, the Bluetooth Special Interest Group was formed with companies like IBM, Intel, Nokia joining. The first consumer Bluetooth devices appeared in 1999. A wireless headset by the early 2000s, Bluetooth became a standard features in phone and laptops. The name comes from King Harald Bluetooth of Denmark, who united Scandinavia, symbolizing how technology unites different electronic devices.
Bluetooth technology is a wireless technology that lets devices like phones, tablets, and headphones to connect to each other and share information without needing cables. It follows the principles of transmitting and receiving data using radio waves. Key features of a Bluetooth. One is short-range communication. Bluetooth typically operates within a range of about 10 meters or 33 feet away, making it suitable for personal devices that are often used in close proximity. Second is low power consumption. Bluetooth is designed to be energy efficient, allowing devices to operate for extended periods on small batteries, which is particularly important for portable devices. Third is versatility. Bluetooth can connect a wide variety of devices, enabling functionalities such as audio streaming, file transfers, and connecting peripherals like keyboards and mice. Fourth is adaptive frequency hopping. This feature helps reduce interference from other wireless devices by rapidly switching frequencies during transmission and enhancing the reliability of connections. Versions and improvements. Over the years, Bluetooth has continuously improved. Bluetooth 1.0 in 1999, first consumer version, limited speed. Bluetooth 2.0 in 2004, introduced enhanced data rate or EDR. Bluetooth 3.0 in 2009, achieved up to 24 Mbps by using Wi-Fi radios. Bluetooth 4.0 in 2010, added Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE, powering wearables and IoTs. Bluetooth 5.0 in 2016, quadrupled range, doubled speed, and introduced advertising extensions. Bluetooth 5.2 and 5.3 added LE audio, better broadcasting, higher efficiency. This constant innovation explains Bluetooth survival and dominance in consumer electronics. Common devices that uses Bluetooth. Consumer electronics like phones, laptops, earphones, speakers. Peripherals like keyboards, mice, and printers. Healthcare. like heart rate monitors, glucose trackers, automotive like infotainment and hand-free calling, keyless entry, smart homes like clocks, lights, and appliances, industrial IoTs like warehouse sensors, beacons, and tracking devices. Here are the advantages and limitations of a Bluetooth. Advantage: wireless and simple to use, energy efficient and battery friendly, interoperable across brands, can handle multiple devices at once. And this is the limitations: short range compared to Wi-Fi, slower data rates, not suitable to large files, security risk if devices are outdated, potential interference in crowded 2.4 GHz environments. Theoretical background: Bluetooth relies on several communication principles like packet-based transmission. Data is broken into packets for efficient transfer. Time division duplexing or TDD. Devices alternate between transmitting and receiving. Spread spectrum techniques. Frequency hopping makes communication robust. Profiles. Bluetooth defines different profiles like A2DP for audio streaming, HID for keyboards, and HFP for hands-free calls. This technical foundation makes Bluetooth flexible across many industries.
We will continue to discuss how Bluetooth works. Bluetooth applications are vast in audio streaming like earbuds, car audio, and speakers. For file transfers, though less common now, it is still used without internet. For medical monitoring, wearable and health sensors. For education, classroom tools and collaboration system. For smart cities, Bluetooth beacons for navigation, museums, and malls. For industry asset tracking, wireless sensors, factory automation. The Bluetooth SIG or Special Interest Group regulates the technology, ensuring devices comply with global standards. Manufacturers must test and certify their products to guarantee compatibility. That's why you can pair headphones from one brand with a phone from another without problems. Bluetooth security consideration is concerned. Some common risks include bluejacking, sending unsolicited messages to nearby devices, blue snarfing, stealing data from vulnerable devices, blue-borne malware attacks through Bluetooth connections. Para maiwasan ang risk, kailangan keep Bluetooth off when not in use. Update devices regularly. Use secure pairing methods. Modern versions of Bluetooth include stronger encryption to improve security and comparison with other wireless technologies. How does Bluetooth compare? In Wi-Fi, faster and longer range but use more power, best for internet. NFC, near-field communication, works only a few centimeters away, good for payments. Zigbee or Z-Wave, compete with Bluetooth in Internet of Things and smart homes. Infrared, older requires line of sight, now rare use. Bluetooth's balance of low power, short range, and versatility has allowed it to stay dominant. Bluetooth still faces challenges of spectrum congestion in 2.4 GHz, security vulnerabilities, competing standards in Internet of Things, but the future looks promising of Bluetooth features. In low-energy audio will improve sound quality and accessibility. Bluetooth mesh enable large-scale smart homes and city networks. Integration with AI and Internet of Things ecosystems will expand its role, and medical and automotive uses will continue to grow. To conclude, Bluetooth has grown from a simple cable replacement technology into a global wireless standard, powering billions of devices. It has evolved through multiple generations, improved in speeds, range, and security, and expanded into industries from healthcare to smart cities. As we move deeper into the Internet of Things, Bluetooth will remain a cornerstone of connectivity, uniting devices and people worldwide.